Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix we couldn't install a required dependency in Valorant. It's quite easy to fix, so without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up your Valorant files here. Disk C, program files, it's usually on your disk C on program files, and then you need to look for Riot Vanguard. Then you need to look for, as you can see here, VG tray, exe file, click on that. And once you click on that, then you need to go to the system tray here, and then you will see this icon. So right click on it, go to exit Vanguard and press yes. Right, as you can see here, this will stop working until you restart your computer. Press yes, and then you need to go to installed apps, or control panel, and then you need to look for Vanguard here and uninstall it, right? And after that, restart your computer, and after that, then launch Riot Client, install and launch the Valorant, and it will automatically install Vanguard, and your issue should be fixed, right? So that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.